You want to improve your talking head videos to achieve your goals faster, better, and easier. For this, you need to transform different areas of content creation. Have a better image, improve your video ideas, record your screen better, deliver the information in a superior way, and talk easier in front of the camera. I have been doing talking head videos for over a decade, and I will show you 5 extremely useful tips that are 100% free and you can apply them immediately. The first one will improve your image just by using your lights smarter. Many creators complain about hard shadows, parts of the face being burnt out easily, or shining too much in the shot. All these are happening because you have a hard light. Look, right now I have 2 lights pointed directly at me. You can see the shadows and some areas are lit more while others are too dark. To solve this problem, you need to soften your light, and this can be done classically or using my trick. Classically, you need to use a big softbox to soften your light. If the softbox is bigger and the distance between the LED and the diffuse fabric is bigger, the light will be more diffused. But unfortunately, this method takes up a lot of space. If you shoot in a small space, this method is uncomfortable, but I applied this trick. I point the light at the wall in front of me, and the light coming from the wall lighting me up, it's extremely diffused. According to your lights, you may need to increase the power a little or adjust the ISO, but that's normal. Look how diffused and nice the light is for a small space. It's simple, effective, and free, and the transformation of your image quality, it's noticeable. Try to find the best position for your light and you will be happy with the result. If you want to discover my full lighting setup and how to use it, I have a dedicated video and I will add a link in the description. The second tip I will share will help you with your video ideas. Your videos will be more appreciated by your audience. This is a trick that I learned the hard way. Don't make great videos. Solve big problems instead. I know it sounds confusing at first glance, but it's simple. What makes a video great? Just the number of views? You can have views because you embarrassed yourself and did something stupid that attracted people's attention faster. That video can go viral. Let's be honest, that's not a great video. What is a great video? A video with the best quality production, image and sound? Someone can have money to pay a professional to film him the best way possible with the best equipment, but if you don't say anything useful or interesting, that video will have just technical quality. What worked for me, and I tested it for years, is to solve problems. Don't aim for great videos, solve important problems for your audience and people will appreciate you. Maybe you won't have millions of views, but you will gain in time an audience that appreciates your value, appreciates you, and you will feel their appreciation because you solve some problems for them. They will remember you and support you. Now, the next tip is about recording your screen, even if you use a Mac or Windows, with sound and quality. This tip will also help you with the next one. You will see immediately. On a Mac, it looks simple, just use QuickTime and record perfect quality. But when I record with QuickTime, if I record, for example, one of my videos from YouTube, I can see some frame drops. I don't understand why. I tried everything and it's the same. And I also didn't manage to record the desktop audio easily. And to solve this, I use OBS Player, which is 100% free, easy to use, and the quality is perfect if you set it correctly. Let me show you. First on Mac and after we go to Windows. Install the OBS, go to Settings, Video, and set the resolution the same as your monitor. Yes, you heard me correctly. This is the trick. Don't set it to 4K or Full HD. I tried so many times to record in 4K and I didn't understand why the quality was different from what I saw on my screen. Set it the same as your screen resolution and the recording will look the same as you see it on your screen. My Mac has this resolution. If you don't know the resolution of your screen, search online and find it out. This is the same on Windows and Mac. Set the same resolution on base canvas resolution and output scale resolution. And after, set the frame rate. Because on Talking Head videos we show educational content and rarely need more than 24, 25 or 30 FPS, select the same frame rate as the rest of your video. Next, go to Output, Recording. Type Custom Output. Container format MP4. video bitrate, I like to use 40,000 and let the rest as it is. Next, go to Scenes and create one scene if you don't have one already. Next, go to Sources and click on this plus to add the first source. And choose Mac OS Screen Capture. And now you see your screen. If you have multiple displays, select the one you want to record. And now for your desktop sound, play a video from YouTube and see if you have a signal in OBS with the screen capture source. If you have it, all you have to do is press record and the video and audio will be recorded. If you don't have sound, add another source and this time select Mac OS Audio Capture. Now you will see it on the mixer, check if you have a signal, press record and that's it. After you stop the recording, you will find the recording where you choose it to be. Now let's do it on Windows. For the video, everything is the same. Add your screen resolution and at output recording choose MP4 and let the video encoder the default one. Next, add the source and select display capture. In your audio mixer you will see this desktop audio channel. Play something on YouTube and check if the level is okay, and if it's too loud, reduce the volume from this fader until you touch the yellow zone. Don't go over it because you risk distorting the audio. Press start recording, record what you want, and when you press stop recording, everything will look and sound good. The next tip will help make your audience happy and more interested in your videos, and it's about helping them understand better and easier what you want to explain. This can be done in a relatively simple way, but extremely effective. Try to visually represent what you want to explain as much as you can, especially because talking head videos can become boring faster. We watch YouTube videos. So we want to see not just the creator talking, but also a representation of what that creator says. If you talk about a lens, as an example, show that lens. If you talk about a microphone, show that microphone. I talked about OBS Player, I showed you the OBS software. Of course, not everything can be visually represented easily, but if you try a little bit, you can find some solutions. You can also use the screen recording method that I just showed to you to show a presentation as an example. This doesn't mean you can't talk in front of the camera without B-roll, but if you have something that can be visually represented, do it. I know that B-roll takes a lot of time and effort, but trust me, when you represent visually what you say and show what you have to show, people will be captivated much faster by your content, understanding better, and you can help them more. But don't do it just to do it. Do it with a reason. Do it when it helps. Don't try to show some images just to fill some space. Do it with a great purpose. And now you will find out the secret of reading from a teleprompter and not looking strange or moving your eyes from left to right reading the text. Let me show you. This is a teleprompter glass. Let's call it a screen. The size of the lens in this example is 67 millimeters. The size of the screen is much bigger. Many creators tend to make the text and the line of text as wide as the full screen, but that's a mistake. The trick is to make the line of text not wider than the lens, like this. If you have a line of text this wide, you will move your eyes a little bit, but inside of the lens range, and it will look much better and natural. Also, if you have problems and can't read on a line this small, use a wide lens to bring the camera closer and then you can read it. This will help you look better when reading and also keep the connection with the viewer. Now, you can apply all these great free tricks but still want to improve your talking head setup to create easier and have even better quality. For this, I will give you a dedicated video to build your ultimate talking head setup. Combine all these tricks with great audio and video quality. Like this, you can deliver more value to your audience and achieve your goals faster.